Hello again, Choro-Q collectors. So if you watch my videos, you know I like Nissan Skylines, and you know I like Choro-Qs. Here we go. So, looking at this image, I think this is from the 2001 season. I might be mistaken. Actually, this is probably wrong. The reason why is this has a bunch of canards on it, but the side view doesn't. So I think the side view is more accurate, but there just aren't many photos of this car. I just looked up GTR R34 Pennzoil, and these are the few images I was able to find. So this side view is probably the one there. Nope, the number's in the wrong place. So I'm not sure how long the relationship with the Skylines and Pennzoil has been, but I think this spanned a couple of years, right? Alright, well anyways, let's take a closer look here. So this one has your standard 5-spoke Choro-Q wheels, and then the printing is really nice. You know, there's no decals or anything like that. And this is a plastic body, so it's meant to be durable because this thing zips. You wind it back, hold on, and you know these things they actually go pretty fast. So you know it's designed to run into a wall, not fall apart. So this is from a series from 2001, the SuperGT, and there's a bunch of cars. I don't know how many cars were in this pack, but it's from 2002, and there we go. Yeah, the number 23 car. Alright, we got some red, well, poorly painted taillight there, but the other ones look pretty good. And then it's got like a Hot Wheels thick kind of wing here. But the panel lines are nice. Look how thin that door handle is, you know, because the gaps are really thin. The wing here says Pennzoil, right? I don't know what Zexel is, no idea what that is. Nismo, we should know what that is. The headlights are painted on, and for some reason they have a rectangle in the middle, but it actually looks kind of like the photograph. The photograph has really dark smoked headlight covers, I guess. There is a GTR casted in there, so that's nice, as well as the texture. Nice texture there. No paint here, but then again, the race car doesn't have paint there either. Alright. Okay, sorry, I got a runny nose again. All the time, really. Little casted in exhaust tips there. Alright, let's take this apart, do a 3D wheel project. Looking at those photographs, I deciphered that these are probably Ray's TE37 racing wheels, and so I 3D printed my own and painted them as well. Oh, interesting how the chin spoiler comes with the base. I find this tab, hooking it very often is too thick, so I might have to cut away. I'm gonna have to actually file down that tooth a little bit so it can clear, because it's clearly not coming off. I'll be back. Alright, I went ahead and put the wheels on. I just twisted off the old wheels with some pliers, and then I twisted on the new ones, and a little bit of super glue as well, because they actually went in pretty far. You can actually see, you know, I have a gold caliper in there and cross-drilled brake rotors. Okay. So let's take a look at a couple of other GTRs. So as far as 64 scale, I have this racing R34 from Kyosho. It's from the 2003 season, I guess. Calisonic one. And I have this UCC coffee of an older generation Skyline, but it's got a crazy, you know, racing body kit on it. Alright, so you get the idea how foreshortened the thing is. Let's take a look at a couple other Choro-Qs that are Skylines. I have this DR30, which is from the Jay's Tipo collection. And then I have this other DR30, but I don't know where it's from. It's just unmarked. Then I have this 2000 Turbo RS. It's also a DR30, but the hood is quite different. Alright, so that's it for the Skylines today, I guess. One day I'll probably do a roundup video of all the Choro-Q Skylines. There are just so many of them that I figure I'd get a bunch more before I do such a video. Alright. So let's let this guy spin in front of its photos. Okay, well, it's another great day for Skyline fans and for cartoonish characters. That's what this is all about, so hopefully I'll see you guys the next time I get one. Thanks, bye.